All right, so over the last couple of months, we've talked about a number of different stocks on the channel. And the key thing that differentiates a lot of these stocks that we talk about from cryptocurrencies is that most of these stocks can attract institutional investors simply because they're more regulated and they're on publicly traded markets, where a lot of institutions simply stay away from cryptocurrencies because they don't want to have to worry about holding those or owning the crypto or worry about making a new wallet. They don't want to have to worry about any of that. And there's a lot of stocks out there that actually are focused strictly on crypto. So recently I picked up a new stock. Symbol is SOLCF, and it's called SOL Global Investments Corp. And the cool thing about this stock is that not only has it up 13% over the last 24 hours, but this stock is available on the OTC markets, meaning that institutions could more easily invest in this than, let's say, like a crypto. And recently, this company, their CEO, came out in a news conference and said, look, back on November 4th, he said, today we're announcing a strategic shift by its wholly owned subsidiary to primarily focus on investing in the Solana blockchain network following its successful exit from Core Scientific Inc. It says through Solana's efficient and scalable network, SOL Global aims to harness growth in decentralized finance and next generation applications as part of Solana's commitment to advancing innovation and enhancing digital capabilities. And the thing about this stock that I really like is that they've entirely changed everything about the company to focus more so on Solana and strictly on the Solana ecosystem. It says the company has changed the name of its main investing wholly owned subsidiary from SOL Verano Blocker 1 LLC to SOL Focused Investments LLC. This is going to concentrate more on investing directly in the Solana blockchain and Solana derived technologies. They said also, look, we're excited to make this strategic investment in Solana, a blockchain platform with the speed, scalability, and security that aligns with our vision of the future. And they said their investment research found that Solana network provides us with the greatest opportunity for growth. So investing in a stock like this, SOLCF, is ultimately like betting on the Solana blockchain. And this company is investing and focusing strictly on Solana. So institutions can more easily access this stock than, let's say, like a Solana. And we've seen that Solana has done extremely well over the last few months. And we can see that the overall Solana ecosystem has exploded in value. Like, yeah, Solana's price is over $100 billion market cap, but we're seeing a number of other projects in its ecosystem really explode in value as well. You could see like Radium and Jupiter. These are both nearly top 100 projects. There's Popcat and Peanut. These are like more meme coins. There's a wide range of projects in the Solana ecosystem that now SOL Global Investments Corp is going to be focused on, and they're going to be keeping an eye out on because they're investing in the Solana blockchain as a whole and what's building and growing and everything that Solana is doing to advance technology, innovation, and the blockchain technology, like for crypto entirely. So that's something that I really like about it. Not only are they investing in Solana, which I particularly am pretty bullish on, but they also have seen a lot of interesting things happen in terms of their financials. So we could see that right now their market cap is less than $10 million, right at $7.9 million. Then the cool thing about this stock is that this is much lower than the stocks that we've talked about in other videos. We've talked about stocks in other videos that invest in crypto, but these are multiple $100 million market cap companies, while SOL Global is much smaller than that. So it has much more opportunity, in my opinion, to potentially, have higher returns. That's why I personally did invest in it. In addition to just market cap, comparing it to other companies, we also can see that in terms of their financials, they recently reported their unaudited financials for third quarter ending August 2024. And in this, it said, look, for 9-month period ending August 31st, 2024, the company recorded a net loss of $2.9 million versus 9-month period ending August 31st, 2023, net loss of $19.1 million. So there was a change of $16.2 million. So a lot of people say, well, that's not great. They're still losing money. But the key thing about this company is that they've increased their numbers substantially. They're not losing tens of millions of dollars anymore. They nearly had, $0. They nearly broke even in terms of their last 9 months. It's only $2.9 million loss. In addition to this, for the 3-month period ending August 31st, 2024, they recorded a net loss of $3 million versus the same period the year before of $6.9 million. So the net change was $3.9 million. Again, another increase. They're seeing much more positive numbers than they saw just a year ago. It says, look, total loss from investments totaled $22.3 million for 9-month period ending August 31st compared to loss of $15.5 million for the same period the year before. Again, an increase of $6.8 million between periods. If you're just looking at every single number on this unaudited results, you can see that every single number comparing this previous cycle versus last year, like all the numbers are significantly better. So in the 9-month period this year, all numbers were nearly better than the 9-month period ending August 31st of 2023. And that's something that you want to see when investing in a stock, when picking a company, that you want to see that the numbers are consistently getting better. So yes, the stock has been beaten up. It's fallen a little bit over the last year or so. But if you're looking at what's going on right now, we can see that we're finally starting to see a bit of an uptick. We've seen a lot more people talk about this stock, and especially after we saw that shift to the Solana blockchain. You can see back right around November 1st, that's when we've started to see this massive rally for this stock. It was at nearly 3 cents per share, 2 cents per share, and it's up between 5 to 8x depending on where you got in just a month and a half ago. So seeing this makes me really excited about it because there's so much opportunity right now after they've shifted to be more focused on Solana's blockchain. So personally, I do own this stock. I'm really excited about where it's going. I like how their CEO came out in a recent news article. He talked about what they're doing moving forward, some of their plans, why they're changing to Solana, why they changed the name of the company, why they're bullish on it. I like all those things. And on top of this, we also can see that there's a number of news outlets between Yahoo Finance and Newsfile, and a lot of people are starting to talk about this stock because there is potential for institutions to easily invest in a stock versus easily invest in a crypto. So while this is still in the OTC markets, while it is smaller, still it's much easier for a large corporation or mid-sized corporation to invest in a stock than it is in crypto. Like, we're not going to see a lot of corporations invest directly in Solana, but they're very likely and more likely to invest in a stock that focuses on Solana. So as a result of this, with the overall state of the market in crypto, seeing that Solana has increased 45% in the last 30 days, seeing that it's done extremely well over the last 2 years, I did put some money in this stock and I wanted to share it with you guys.